hindi daw nire-respeto ng China ang UNCLOS. Matindi to. Matindi tong mga singkit na to, no? Wala daw itong visa, sa Sigalot sa West Philippine Sea. ang kakapal. Ang kakapal talaga ng muka. Itong mga singkit, no? Kaya pala hindi tayo nire-respeto. Nagwawater cannon sila, binabangga-banggang ating mga Philippine Coast Guard, kung ano man yung mga tao natin diyan sa West Philippine Sea, talaga naman kung galawin nila parang mga hayop. Matindi, ang lupit pala nito, no? Walang respeto sa mga kapwa-tao nila. So itong ating bibigyan ng reaction, no? Reaction video, criticism, komentaryo, kung ano mang inyong mga saloobin dyan, mga kababayan, pwede rin kayo mag-comments. Ngayon, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please like and subscribe na lang muna sa ating YouTube channel bago tayo mag-umpisa, okay? And also please paki-subscribe din kay ISP Kapatid. So itong video na to sa kanya to, no? So bibigyan lang natin reaction kasi ito yung may init ng balita ngayon tungkol sa West Philippine Sea. Alam nyo naman, ang West Philippine Sea, napakasalimot na bagay ito. Talagang inaangkin ng mga Chino. Nakakabwisit. So ito bibigyan natin reaction. So umpisa na natin.
I call on the representative of China for a second intervention.
Thank you, President. President, in view of the statement made by the representative of the Philippines, China feels it compelled to respond once again. The disputes between China and the Philippines on the South China Sea are in essence territorial and maritime delimitation disputes. Territorial matters fall outside the scope of UNCLOS. Furthermore, on the issue of maritime delimitation, China has excluded the application of dispute settlement procedures in its 2006 declaration made under UNCLOS. Therefore, the arbitral tribunal has no jurisdiction whatsoever over the subject of arbitration. Regrettably, however, the tribunal not only exercised ultra-vires jurisdiction but also rendered an unjust award. The so-called award disregarded legal principles and facts on issues of the regime of islands, historic rights, and outlying archipelagos of continental states, putting forth erroneous reasoning and conclusions. This seriously undermines the spirit and principles of the Convention and severely impacts the authority and integrity of international law of the sea. China does not accept or recognize the so-called South China Sea arbitration case. Our sole purpose is precisely to uphold the international rule of law in the maritime domain and to maintain a fair and reasonable international maritime order. China carries out peaceful and constructive activities on its own territories. This is a just right of a sovereign country. This is not the so-called artificial island reef. China places high importance on the protection of South China Sea's environment. Philippines' illegal military fleet in the island means that Philippines is the biggest destroyer of the South China Sea ecosystem. Philippines has repeatedly accused China. The sole purpose is to hide its fact of reneging on its promise and distorting the facts. We ask now Philippine colleagues to return to the correct path of resolving the South China Sea issue based on dialogue instead of playing up the South China Sea issue on the multilateral platform. This will not facilitate the settlement of the dispute, but rather this will escalate the tensions and leading to enhanced mistrust. I thank you, President.
Okay, kung nakita nyo kung naintindihan nyo, English kasi. So, ang sabi talaga, hindi nila kinikilala. Itong mga incheck na to, no? Hindi nila kinikilala ang UNCLOS. Yung, ang ibig sabihin niyan, yung UNCLOS, ayan yung nagpanalo sa atin yung arbitral ruling nung 2016, yung United Nations Convention Law of the Sea. So panalo tayo diyan. Kaso nga lang hindi kinikilala ng mga singkit na to, no, buwiset. Kaya pala walang respeto. Mga walang ya talaga to, no, itong mga incheck na to, no. Kaya dapat talaga ewan ko, pwede rin kayo mag-comments diyan, mga kababayan, ha. So okay, no, alam na lamang natin na kaya pala ganun kabagsik ang mga ang China sa atin, sa ating mga tropa diyan sa West Philippine Sea. Kasi nga wala silang respeto sa UNCLOS. Kahit hindi nila kinikilala yung pagkapanalo natin noon sa arbitral ruling noong 2016. Mga walang hiyang mga incheck. Okay, no? So, hanggang dito na lang tayo, mga kababayan, no? Kung nagustuhan nyo yung mga ganitong mga reaction video, please, like and subscribe na lang muna sa ating YouTube channel bago tayo magtapos. Sa ganun, ma-update pa kayo sa mga video na aking pang-i-update. Ilalabas dyan tungkol sa West Philippine Sea, lalong-lalo sa mga incheck na to. Okay? Salamat. Maraming salamat.